Hi, I'm Mr. O, and this is Newton Know-How, sponsored by Oxy and the William Stamps Farish Fund. I'm here today to introduce you to the turntable. So how do you use the turntable? Let me show you. First, press the white button to start the turntable spinning. Then take a stick, place it through the hole in the center of the disc, and place the disc against the spinning tabletop. Wait until the disc gets up to speed, then remove the stick and it should start spinning all on its own. You can do something similar with the ring, only use the stick to hold it against the surface until the ring gets up to speed. So why don't the discs and rings simply fall over like they would if you just place them down without them spinning? Well, it has to do with something called angular momentum. And while it sounds really complicated, we're going to simplify it just a little bit. When wheels spin, whether it's our disc, our ring, or a bicycle wheel, they all generate a force outward called angular momentum, and this directly opposes gravity. So unlike a disc that's just sitting there where gravity would pull it over, instead angular momentum opposes it and it keeps it upright. The key though is that it has to maintain a certain speed. If it loses that speed, the angular momentum drops and then gravity can take over. So then why do the wheel and the ring eventually fall over? Well, that's because the disc on which the wheel and ring spin changes speed. So the reason why the discs will fall over is because the whole disc changes speed. Imagine it this way. Imagine a point on the outside and the inside, or inside and outside, are traveling around. So then the point on the outside actually has to travel all the way around in the same time it takes for the inner one to spin. That means the outside moves faster than the inside. So as the disc moves in and out between them, it changes speed. But if it loses too much speed, then eventually it loses angular momentum and gravity pulls it down. So come on out to Newton Know-How where you can give the turntable a spin.